Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sekarang kita unboxing hard disk eksternal Seagate Backup Plus Slim 2 TB. Ya, mulai ya.
Ngadap sini lah, ngadap mari baju.
Oh ya, ini dia.
Tar.
Karena kita buka dulu.
Ini masih merekam.
Masih dulu. Rek, kan? Oh, kunci udah diambil lah. Kita ada ini yang kerak-kerak ini lah. Berhenti mana lagi?
Lord the Conqueror is not hero. You betrayed me, Curtis. Betrayed? A mercenary who has long since sold his conscience for gold can hardly presume to judge his authority. He's not quibble about details. We all know your legend, Hercules. But here is mine. When I was a general in the army of Thrace, I had dreams of ruling the city. But thanks to you, my dreams have grown. I now crave an empire. 5,000 will train more thousands and they even more. The lessons of Hercules will spread. What you began here can never be.
ini warnanya.
For such an army may
Bagus warnanya merah.
read it.
Kita buka.
You want me to serve you. Bear the moral outrage.
Inilah ketelingan kecil dan slim.
Here's your kill.
Ya, warnanya slim.
But I must take this as a no. In that case, your services are no longer required. You will be paid in full. Bring them the gold.
Jelas,
Like always.
jelas ya. Sini dia.
Be jealous.
Kita go USB. USB tipe 3.0 ya.
I'm just wondering right. Now I live for.
Oke, cukup sekian. Cuman unboxing aja. Unboxing. Oke, cukup sekian ya untuk video kali ini. Mudah-mudahan bisa menjadi referensi. Misalnya, oh ya, kelebihannya kecepatan dan backup, membackup data yang menyimpan ukuran 2 terabyte. Mungkin kalau ukuran untuk udah cukup juga. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Udah.